Guys, this is the biggest piece I've completed. It's a Palestinian order and the back has a 2-in-1 feature the client does not know about. We're about to shock him. He's on his way to pick it up from the studio and we're gonna make this magic happen.
I've been waiting for this day to come by.
Yo, but you remember I told you have a like a surprise?
Yeah.
One? You're prepared?
Looks like I'm gonna shank.
You prepared?
My Palestine necklace, bro. Let's see this.
Go.
Oh my god. That is crazy.
Are you ready though?
Ooh, this is sick.
You remember what you told me? What did you tell me? You said you're the artist, do your thing.
Oh my
right?
god, yeah.
Are you prepared?
I don't know, bro.
Are you prepared? Bro, I told you I'm doing my thing, bro. I printed the entire, I flipped the map of Palestine, burnt it all by hand. But this is like clocked in over 80 hours. Like I showed you. Like this one's much love for Palestine.
Cause yo, now that I know how it looks like now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Cause yo, I know you wanted it.
Bro, that's sick.
I was like, yo.
Oh my god. Bro, wallah. This is a masterpiece. This is the artist in town, the best. The best right here, bro. Can you flip it?
Yeah.
I want to see the front, bro. The front is gangster too, bro. I want to see the material. Bro, the material is amazing. I'm gonna sleep on this thing. That's how comfy it is. Bro, wallah, you killed it.
Okay, yo, the first question after you is, how was your experience shopping in Soft Spot?
Amazing, best experience yet. And I'm very satisfied. And this guy's a man. This guy is literally the artist.
Second follow-up question is, when you're looking at this masterpiece, what's your favorite part about it?
It's both my favorite.
One. You have to choose one.
The front.
The front?
Yeah.
Okay. That's all I expected to.
Bro, the front all day, bro.
Yo, the colors are spot on.
The colors are spot on. The material is spot on. It's just beautiful. It's magnificent. Like, bro, masterpiece for this is an understatement. That's all I'm gonna say. That word is an understatement for this.
Leave it there.
You're a gangster, bro. Yeah, I don't want to see anybody. Bro, if I see someone else have this in their house,
Bro,
I'm gonna sue them for copyright.